up, everybody? My name's Will Orrock.
And my name is Connie Orrock, and we are
We Evolve Dance and Fitness. And today we're gonna go over two new steps for you guys, the crossbody lead and the crossbody lead with a spin. So first things first, you're just gonna face your partner like this, okay? We're gonna do an open position, and we're gonna do a basic. If you don't know what the basic is, go ahead and click up here at the top from the video from last time, and you will see what I'm talking about. So we're gonna do a forward and back basic. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So that's what a crossbody lead looks like. Now we're gonna get into the detail, how you can actually dance it and know the footwork. So first things first, I'm gonna face this way. Now, as I face this way, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step forward with my left foot, I'm gonna rock back on my right foot, and I'm gonna open with my left foot, creating a nice passageway so that she can go through. I like to explain to my students, it's like you're opening the door and you're inviting her in. So if I'm like this, I go 1, 2, 3, and the door is open. Now from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step back or rock back with my right leg, rock back forward, and I'm gonna close with my right leg. Therefore, I have now finished the entire sequence of a crossbody lead. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys in partner. I step forward with my left foot, 1, right foot back, and 2. I have now opened that passageway or the door so she can come in. And then I go rock back, rock forward, and I turn and close. When I rock back and forward, that's actually gonna help her pass me, and then as I close, that's gonna help her turn and face me. Okay, let's do it on this side, so now you can see from the back, and 1, 2, 3, here I go, and 5, 6, 7. Okay. Could you please explain the footwork of the ladies?
Okay, so for our footwork, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see from this point of view. Follows, we will do our basic step, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna step forward twice. 1, 2. Now my right leg is in front, my left leg is in the back, and I'm gonna turn towards my left, and at the same time, I'm bringing my left foot towards my right. So I'm putting my feet together. Let's do it again. Basic step. 1, 2, 3. Step, step, turn.
Okay, so now let's see that in partners.
Okay, so now, basic step. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna step forward with our left foot first. 1, 2, and now the leader is gonna help us to turn toward our left, and we're gonna put our feet together. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Another way that you can do the crossbody lead is in open position. So in my videos before, I've said this is closed position and this is open position. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the exact same footsteps. I'm just gonna keep the hands separate. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Here we go again, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That's it, that's the main difference. So just so you know that you're not locked and set on the closed position.
Easy, right?
So that is your crossbody lead, basic crossbody lead, passing to the left side. It is one of the most common steps out there to get you from point A to point B and vice versa. So the nice thing about this step is that it will help you create more choreography and it displaces you around the floor. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and I can keep switching places if I want. So just so you know that this crossbody lead has a lot more to offer than what we're just showing you as a basic movement. All right, let's get into the second one, shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So the next one is a crossbody lead with a spin. That's right. So I'm gonna show it to you guys like I did last time, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So basically, the steps are exactly the same. However, what changes is her movement. She spins now. So once again, leads, you're gonna do this. This is your footwork. 1, 2, open the door, rock back, rock forward, and close. Follows your same footwork. I'm gonna make Connie go into her basic step. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see on 3, I raised her hand. That's the signal that she needs to know to go ahead and spin. I'm gonna take my step back, she's gonna take her step forward. Right here is when you start to spin. She goes around, turn, and collect the feet together. Let's see it on this side. And we go 1, 2, open, hand goes up, and she's gonna go step, I'm gonna go step, she's gonna go step, turn, together, okay? And a nice thing about this is that she should keep her knees a little bit bent. Now Connie, because she is a very good dancer, she can actually do it straight. For most of the people that are learning, it's actually better to spin with bent knees because that helps you with balance, okay? So let's see it again, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Connie, would you like to explain the ladies' footwork?
Sure. For us followers, we're going to do a basic step. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to step with our left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. Thank you for that performance, Connie. Looks beautiful. So at the end, Connie brought her feet or closed her feet together. That is a safe way to go. But there's also a way that you can actually finish. It's an open position finish is what we would call it. All right, and here she goes. She's gonna step back and the hand goes up and walk, turn, turn, boom. You can see that down here at the bottom, her right foot is in open position. Now, all she has to do is wait for me to step forward and then she'll transfer her weight onto that back foot. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So see, we can go back into a basic or into the crossbody lead. So let's go into the crossbody lead with a turn. And from here, it's the same thing from this side. 1, 2, 3, the hand goes up and she steps, turns, and brings her feet either together or separate. All right, for those who have good balance, you can finish in an open position. For those who aren't there quite yet with your balance, do a closed position. It will help you so much. And make sure you have those knees a little bit softer. That also helps with the balance. Now let's do it with music. Crossbody lead with a spin. All right, everybody, so those are your figures for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something from it. And if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and subscribe down here. And that little bell button lets you know when our videos are coming directly to your email. All right, there is a participation link down below in the description. If you guys feel like participating in this channel's success, it's right down there for you to go ahead and click on. Thank you so very much in advance. Down below in the description as well, there are dance products that are gonna help you dance better on the dance floor. So go ahead and check them out if you're ever interested in learning how to dance better. And last but not least, Connie here, she's gonna tell you something really awesome.
Well, thanks for watching, and if you think that you will like this video in Spanish version, please let us know. Put some comments down below and we will be happy to do it.
All right, once again, I'm Will Orrock.
And I'm Connie Orrock, and we are
We Evolve Dance and Fitness. Thanks for watching.